Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you my tie-dye ring sling I recently made that's listed on my Etsy. Has a gathered shoulder and turquoise rings. It's pretty bright, pretty funky. I have my little teething baby I'm going to use to demonstrate so you can see how it looks on. Oh baby, come here. So I'm just going to wrap it through. Alright, Elon, you want to sit in here? Come here, bud. Oh, look at it. Oh, baby. Here you go. Oh, there we go. There we go. You say hi? Look it. Hi. All right, so let me just get this little bucket seat together. I'll back up so you can see. I know. All right. Tighten it up. And there you have it. So like I said, this one is available on my Etsy. It has the gathered shoulder and the turquoise rings. And it's bright, fun. Go check it out. Happy Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.